Hey guys, what's up? It's Charlie. I I don't really do like sit down videos, and I'm still trying to figure out the setup. So until I do, please ignore this messy room. Anyway, I went out to Salmon Creek Park today and I took some pictures, which you'll be seeing in a moment. But when I got home, I found out that my SD card, I don't know what happened. It like wiped itself. So I got all the video that I shot, but then like half the pictures just disappeared. So don't really know what that's about. So we're gonna have to go back to Salmon Creek Park and take more pictures. But anyway, you'll see what I did manage to salvage right after this.